Hi everyone, welcome to the Management Guide, a one-stop learning platform for your exam preparation. If you are watching our videos for the first time, do subscribe to the channel to become part of our learning community. If you like our videos, do hit the like button and share the videos with your friends and near and dear ones. So in this video, we will be discussing about Introduction to Strategic Management. As you know, this is an important topic for your college exams as well as if you are preparing for competitive exams like UGC NET. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So what is strategic management? Strategic management is basically an ongoing planning, monitoring, analysis and assessment of all the necessities an organization needs to meet its goals and objectives. The changes in the business environment requires the organization to constantly assess the strategies for its overall success and the existence of the organization. The strategic management process helps the organization to stock out their present situation, chalk out the strategies, and deploy them and analyze the effectiveness of the implemented management strategies. These strategic management strategies consist of 5 basic steps and which differs in implementation depending upon the surrounding environment. Strategic management applies to both on the premise and as well as mobile platforms. Now let's understand what is the importance and benefits of strategic management. The strategic management generally provides both financial as well as the non-financial benefits. A strategic management process helps the organization and its leadership to think about and plan for its future existence, fulfilling of chief responsibility of the board of directors and key stakeholders. The strategic management sets a direction for the organization and its employees. Unlike once and done strategic plans, an effective strategic management helps in continuously planning, monitoring and testing of the organization's activities, which results in greater operational efficiency, increased market share and improved profitability. Now let's understand the different phases of strategic management one by one. The typical process of strategic management includes the 5 phases. These are as follows. The first phase is the assessing of the organization's current strategic direction or the current strategic position. The second phase is to identify and analyze the internal and external strengths and weaknesses. To understand the second point in detail, I have separately created the videos on SWOT and pest analysis. Do check out those videos in the strategic management playlist. The third step is formulation of the action plan, which includes identification of the key success factors and formulation of the key performance indicators. The fourth step includes the execution of the action plans, which are drafted in the step 3, and the last step is the evaluation of the executed action plans in terms of what degrees the action plans have been successful and the changes are made in case the desired results are not being produced. So that's all in this video. I hope that through this video you would have learned about what is strategic management, what are the benefits and importance of strategic management, and what are the different stages included in the strategic management process. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel to stay connected and to stay updated with the latest content that I upload. Thanks for watching and happy learning.